¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Sí. I'm sorry, that's all my Spanish. We have a question from Mexico, from Soltrado. He has a nice question. He or she, I'm sorry. Great question. The original question, chest, chemistry. I know the words, but when do we know the CH sound? Here it's a ch sound. Here it's a k sound. How do we know when it's ch? How do we know when it's k? And there's one more sound. That sound too. That's a great question. That is a fair question. Most teachers will tell you, you need to memorize the words. You just need to know. And yes, I agree. But there is another way to know. It's not 100% accurate, but it works usually. Original English words that have the CH sound like ch, almost always. Church, change. Words that originate from France, French words, usually sound like an SH when spoken in English. So, catch, no, cache, like the cache memory on your computer. Champagne, no, champagne, champagne. It sounds like an SH. So words that have a French origin usually have an SH sound instead of the CH sound. And then there's these words like k, chameleon, scholar, k, scholar. It's a K sound. Both have a K sound. Now, the trick is words that have a Greek, I should spell this with a capital G, Greek, or a German, let me change that, sorry, or a German background, especially a Greek background, usually the CH has a K sound when pronounced in English. So chemistry has a Greek origin, and chem, meaning I think chemicals, alchemy, chemistry, has a k sound, okay? So that's not easy, but you speak Spanish, so you might have an idea on the origin of some words. So typical basic original English words have a ch sound. Cache, champagne. French originating English words usually have an SH sound. Chameleon, scholar, chemistry, psychology, psychic. These Greek originating words usually have a K sound when spoken in English. Okay? Does that help? Now, I agree with the other teachers. You have to memorize the sound, the spelling. But if it's hard to remember, you might think about, is this a French word? Is this maybe a Greek word? Then you might be able to figure out the pronunciation. It usually works, okay? There's lots of lists on the internet of CH words that have the K sound. And one of the YouTube English teachers, Teacher Melanie, I think it's Teacher Melanie, she has a list of 50 CH words that have a K sound. So go to her site, check out her video, and do some online searching if you want to know only K-sounding CH words. Or use my formula. English words, ch. French words, sh. Greek words, k. It almost always works. Thanks a lot for the question.